Oh, hello audience, good morning and welcome to Gumbalkan 2025 Letni Edise episode 2, where we last time bought a fucking shit car with some problems and today we're gonna go to fix them. But first I need to go and get my business associate from his place because I borrowed his car yesterday. Here we have this magnificent car which is held together just by tape. Yes. So apparently I don't know how to use this car, but I was given instructions to twist the key until I see those things there, and then when that thing that just went off goes off, it's an automatic car, so whatever. Seems to be working quite well still. This is interesting. Fucking hell, man. Nothing against you, bro. So, mister, it's time for some essential training.
Yo,
for
man,
me.
Chicago.
Show me, man. This shit is shit. Worst energy drink ever. Choose none. Choose none. Welcome to this nondescript repair shop. And
I showed you yesterday how to check this.
power steering. Mobile ATF.
And
Czech Republic says that.
very good.
This shit. We have 4 springs today. Basically bust.
Yeah, so that's an instant fail in the inspection. I don't know how this was inspected. For the record, you're not supposed to do it like that, but... No, you can see it's free.
Okay. Nice.
So it's in.
Brand fucking new springs. Nice.
But you wanted this to be good.
And then we beat the thing back in its place, or what?
The issue with the flamethrower is that everything else is lighting up on fire except for the bolts. Shut up. That's fine.
That's
Fine, you see. Mind the ABS sensor cable. CV axle is fine. I'll just make a tiny adjustment.
That is a beautiful.
Is it coming? Is it coming? Oh yeah.
Good. I'm pleased to know that you'll be driving this. 3 stars. I like it. 4 stars. My hat's off to you. So what do you think? Verse.
Never again.
Never again. Was it tough?
Yeah. I mean, shout out to Stefan Bergman who makes Volvo videos on YouTube. He has like 70 Volvos or something.
Drive down a cliff. Try not to shoot anyone.
The road through the jackpot is designed in such a way that it can be driven carefully by a normal, not overloaded stock car without modifications.
Our first mission after getting the road book is to translate all these 40 pages of text into English, or we tried Finnish and it doesn't work very well. We are gonna be the ryhmärämä. We're gonna be traveling through with only a map, no navigation.
No navigation, that's the plan.
No Google Maps.
No, fuck off.
What is this? We have some new member here. Who is this person here?
Hello, I am Elias.
Take the camera.
I have the camera. The third guy here. I'm here. So these guys don't have to pay everything.
And maybe take some pictures. Unofficial photographer.
And what are we doing here?
Doing something about this fucked up windshield.
Our hobby mechanic is driving us back to the secret hideout. Did you show the secret hideout's name? Why did put the camera away? Put the camera away! We have the chromed pull hooks.
Rosberg.
Uh-huh. And the arrow pointing into this.
Oh, yeah. Että Volvo on hankkinut eroon näistä listoista tähän perheeseen.
I can't believe that this shit like that I drew like 4 months ago is still here.
If you don't wash the car, it stays there. Shut up and get back in there.
Was it this amogus that we are supposed to put in the front?
Yes,
suffer.
my child. Yeah, and the dinosaur on the roof.
Okay. How about this friend?
No, he's a VIP. He's not coming along.
Not coming along?
Not coming along.
What?
No, he's a pussy. I mean, look at him.
That's why he looks so sad.
Making these sounds, it's completely normal. It's also normal that there might be shards of glass flying around, so...
Many pampers. Well, it has certainly done its job. I'd say quite well. Or boss. Yeah, some rust has made its way to this corner, I think.
What?
There's a fucking bird's nest in here.
Some plant for the birds.
This is the toxic shit.
What are we doing?
We are replacing some screws. Like that.
Looks very sturdy.
Sturdy, and then we just drive like this through the whole thing.
Well, I mean, we didn't fix this today. So
That's engine oil.
Alright. How many times have we been here doing shit?
Maybe a couple of times.
And you have been like a couple of 20 times or something. Alright, monsieur, seems like the windshield is holding.
Yes.
For now. Although we don't have this piece yet, but thank you for your patronage.
Thank you.
See you
See you
next time.
See you next time.
Do